If you're looking for the best Bluehost coupon code in 2026, this video shows you how to get an exclusive discount of up to 75% off, with pricing starting as low as $3.99 per month, plus a free domain name on eligible plans. This is a special discount available only through the link in the description. It's lower than what you'll find going directly to Bluehost's website. To get the discount, just click the link in the description below. It's automatically applied when you go through the link. There's no code to enter at checkout. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best Bluehost pricing available. Here's exactly what you get with the exclusive Bluehost discount in 2026. Starter plan, as low as $3.99 per month, up to 75% off. Perfect for beginners and single websites. Choice Plus plan, as low as $5.45 per month. Unlimited websites, more storage, and free domain privacy included. Business plan, as low as $8.45 per month. Best for growing sites, adds a dedicated IP, staging, and stronger security. Annual and 3-year plans include a free domain name. Monthly plans do not include a free domain. If you want the lowest monthly price, choose the 3-year term that locks in the biggest discount for the longest period. If you prefer a shorter commitment, the 1-year plan still saves significantly compared to going month to month. When you use the Bluehost link in the description, you get an exclusive discount not shown publicly on Bluehost's website, lower pricing than signing up directly, a free domain name on annual plans. Official Bluehost hosting with full WordPress support. Bluehost has been recommended by WordPress.org for over 10 years. And a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to try it. To claim the best Bluehost coupon code for 2026, click the link in the description and lock in the discount while it's active. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more hosting deals and comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.